What does this tradition mean?
It's to welcome me.
Welcome me. Oh, like a new arrival or a new...
Yes.
Feel enlightened already.
I've been watching you from a distance as I turn out all the lights. All I want from you is to listen and remember the good times.
So we finally got in after all this time. I think it must be like 8 o'clock at night. Ooh, this is kind of like a nice doorbell thingy. Nice, I like it. You got your own Jetwing flip-flops. I don't think you can take it home. I know people are gonna ask. I don't think you can take this home. We're in Jaffna right now. We're in the Jetwings Hotel. There are like 2 main hotels in Sri Lanka, like 2 big chains. One is Cinnamon Hotels and the other one is Jetwing. Apparently Jetwing is known for being environmentally conscious. That's good. So half flush, full flush. This may come as a surprise, but did you know that toilet paper we use at Jetwing is made of recycled wheat husk? Wonder what my view is. It's dark. I don't think I can see anything, but you never can tell. Okay, not much of a view. This is like a construction area. But I have a balcony. Wonder if I'll ever get to use it. They have these electronic signs. Do not disturb. Yep. Do not disturb. This is make up my room, and this is please wait. Flat screen TV. Oh, what is this? Safe. And my refrigerator. Not much stuff, but still stuff. I guess all the essentials. I always thought of Sri Lanka as similar to the countries neighboring it, and no, not at all. A little more technologically advanced, especially in tourism. One of the must-try foods when you're in Sri Lanka are hoppers. Now there's various types of hoppers here. There's like string hoppers, there's like these little bowl cup hoppers. There's a few different types. And condiments that they will put into the egg hopper. Like a coconut sourdough bread in the middle. It's very fleshy. Now I like the thinness of this wafer, but if I had to choose between the thin wafer or the sponginess, I'd probably choose the sponginess a little bit more because you can kind of sop up curry with it. String hoppers, really finely cut noodles, and you can add sambar, or I could add dal curry. Spongy noodles right there, almost gelatinous. These are actually made of wheat flour. It's not like pasta, it's not like anything you recognize in the States. It's kind of like a slightly different noodle I have never tried before. The major utensils. And you go ahead and mix them as if you're massaging someone's hand. Get that dal curry all in that hopper. When I first saw it, I was a little turned off. I was wondering what I would experience. They are surprisingly good. This is a definite must.
If you think of all that we leave out, is that weird you're feeling good? I know nothing ever turned out as you wanted to. But every time I feel it, every time I breathe, every time I close my eyes, it's coming right back.
We are outside of Jaffna Fish Market, and it's definitely a working market. We're here to auction off fish as well as to buy it. You've got the workers out there who are fishing and farming it in. So you can see the crows above, and they're all waiting in anticipation for what they might find down below. All different types of fish, and a large quantity of them too. Look at this basket right there. This is the Fort Island of Hammenhiel. Now to get there we actually have to take a boat or a ferry over to this island. Getting here we got a little lost. It was a little hard to find. Apparently the area around here is owned and operated by the military. There was mention that there are minefields in this area, so definitely no wandering off. This is a converted fort that was once occupied by Dutch, who took it over from the Portuguese. It's actually a prison. Looks like very basic, minimal quarters. Ooh, I think if you've been put in here, you've been probably a bad person. Oh my. How gruesome. Or not, this is the bathroom. But now it's been converted into a hotel resort. So what do you think? You want the top or the bottom? Now you don't actually sleep here. There is like actual hotel sleeping quarters upstairs. You can stay here overnight. There are only 4 rooms available. You have to come here by private boat. Pretty nice and secluded. You know, if you want just a peaceful getaway, then I guess this would be it. I think I've been put in here by accident. Anyone want to let me out? Huh? Anyone? And back in the bus. Here we are at this restaurant called Ammachi, and it is a shop or an area that helps support entrepreneurial women. The women here rent their stalls each day. For roughly around 6 hours, they pay 250 rupees. And they buy their own ingredients, they bring it here, they create their own meals or their drinks, and they sell it to the public here. It's up to them whether or not they can make a profit, but it's a really great cause and a great idea. These meals are really inexpensive. You can get an entire meal for roughly like anywhere from 100 rupees or down to 10 rupees. This is your stall, your shop. Oh. You sell mixed rice. Mixed rice. Oh, this is the rice that she sells. This is 100 rupees. Wow, that's a huge portion. Thank you. This is just such a great way to support like sustainable tourism as well as women who are their own entrepreneurs in this small town.
2.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna get 2 tosai.
Price 1 10. 120.
Thank you. I think this is like sambal. I could be wrong, but this is the tosai. I love that it's on this leaf. It's hot right now, like fresh. So that. The tosai is like really soft, bready. They said it was made of rice. The sambal is good because it's got a little bit of spice to it, but not like overpowering. If I were living here or if I were visiting, I'd probably come every day and try like every stall. The next thing I want to try is a juice. Okay, watermelon. Okay, and then
50.
This is the watermelon.
Live video.
It's lovely. It's refreshing. It's a hot day. 50 rupees. So basically, I just totaled what I bought there. Came out to 50 cents.
Thinnai is an organic farm and resort where all the food is made direct from their farm to the table.
So we just met the mayor of Jaffna. This is an okra field. And so now I'm on the search for okra. It's like finding Easter eggs, huh? Oh wait, I see one. I see one. Right there we go. I got my okra. We're going to see the Hammenhiel festival. You can smell the sweets in the air, the incense, as we get closer to the temple. I'm not sure if this is part of the festival, but there's like a lot of snack vendors and sweet vendors right there. Look at all these sweets. So I had to remove my shoes, and I have it on tied to my bag. Always bring carabiners or use your shoelaces, but I was afraid those would fall off. So you have to remove your shoes when you come into the temple, and right now it's also festival time, so even more so it's important. Wow, look at this temple. Holy mackerel. Today is a bit of a rush day. I'm traveling with the tourism board, and we're trying to see as much as we can see within a day. This entire month happens to be the Nalur festival. So they have to wash their feet in order to like cleanse and purify themselves. So we have to, oh, starting soon. Apparently there's no filming inside and I can't take you inside, but a lot of people are praying in this temple. When entering temples, women are required to dress conservatively. They must wear like dresses below the knees, cover the shoulders. For guys, they have to wear just kind of like a wrap and bare chested. They're lifting up floats with sculptures of peacocks on them. They set them down in the prayer area, and now they're doing kind of like a prayer ritual with like candles and kind of like the whole Hindu ritual of kind of, I guess, blessing. But it's very colorful in there. There's a lot of decorative artwork in there, adorned with Hindu deities. There's a lot of beautiful sculpture and architecture in there. Interestingly, there's a lot of video coverage going on right now at this time. There's like a lot of maybe temple guys who have like, I don't know, broadcast cameras, and they're stationed all around. So if you want to get some kind of image or view inside, you have to do what those media guys are doing. And it helps to have a zoom lens. It's chili?
Yeah. This banana.
Thank you. Okay.
Oh.
It looked really good. This cost 10 rupees. It's green chili. I'm waiting for the spice to hit. My tongue is tingling. This is actually really, whoa. Okay. This is good, but the aftershock, not as bad as I thought. Maybe one more bite. I'm probably gonna hate myself. I'm gonna go all in. I can tell by breathing out that there's strong heat in this. I think if you keep eating fast, it kind of goes down. The heat doesn't really hit you as hard. It is delicious though, but you can see my eyes are watering a bit. It's gonna water more in 5 minutes. Here we are at Rio Ice Cream, which is one of the most go-to places in Jaffna. I got the Rio special, which is 3 different flavors of ice cream with fruit salad, 2 flavors of jelly, cashew nuts, and biscuit. You can tell a lot of people have been here. Those menus are tattered. This is a huge team here. This is almost like a factory of ice cream. There are so many workers here and so many people. There are a lot of seats here. You can tell that this place must get packed. SIM card isn't working. No way. That's not even 75 cents. Let's try it. This is like the vanilla. It's kind of like a different kind of vanilla. The cashew nut gives it a little like nutty flavor. It's nice. Let's try this glow-in-the-dark pink right here. I can't really tell what flavor it is. I think it's strawberry. The one that looks like mango with some of the jelly. I'll be honest, this is kind of sweet actually. The green jello bits are actually kind of like minty bits. I thought they were just kind of like lime. The strawberry tastes kind of like strawberry but more raspberry-ish. This is pretty good for under 75 cents. And this is the local liquor shop right here. And I paid my 10 minute admission. Right now we're in Jaffna Bazaar. Just a bunch of shops here with selling snacks and food. All dried fish. And look at this. This is like ginormous. You can smell the ointment that he's putting into his hair and massaging in. So I guess these are the customers waiting. They get a good massage. I want one of those right now.
Thanks for watching. Check out my Sri Lanka travel playlist for more travel videos about Sri Lanka. And join me weekly for more Girl Traveler videos where I take you inside my solo travel bucket list. As always, links in the description box below. Until then, travel safe, smart, and fun, and may the GRRR be with you.